Alright guys, we got another F150 video for you today. I got my brother's truck in here, and we're going to get rid of the shitty XLT door handle. So check this video out, watch it all the way through. If you want to get rid of your XLT door handles, put some white ones on. I found these pretty decent ones on Amazon. I've already put them on another truck and they're doing good, like 6 months. So we got some for my brother's truck, and here's a video how to put them on. Alright, here's the new handles. They're just Fleet White or Oxford White, whatever. These came off of Amazon. They're pretty decent. They're obviously not as sturdy as an OE, but they fit great, and they're not black. So here's what tools we're going to need. Get a magnet tray, just keep track of your bolts. This little spoon. Everybody makes one, it doesn't have to be Matco. Or just a panel popper. Got a deep 10 mil 1/4 inch, shallow 10 mil 1/4 inch, deep 7, deep 8, few 1/4 inch extensions, 1/4 inch impact, and a 1/4 inch ratchet. Let's get to it. Now, depending on your year, this is where you'll see a mix of the 7 or 8s. But generally, all of the black ones will be 7s. And this is where we make our switch to 8s. This truck is a 19. I lied. They're all 7s on this street. Alright. Just put your knee against the panel. Hold on the corner. You need to go up and then out. Alright, brought you guys in just a little so you can see this better. There's a little clip on the handle cable here. You want to get that before you pull the panel away. A couple connectors for the window switch. You want windows up while you do this so that you can actually get to the hardware. Alright, so here's the driver's side handle. This is the new one. Just going to show you this outside of the vehicle so you know what you're looking for. These are 2 10 mils here, and then the handle sits in there this way. So 2 10 mils here, and then one from the outside. That's that plug that we took off right here. And then the cable. But I'll be able to pull it out of the door, and I'll show you that spot. But so to get to these two, there's 2 ways. You can use a 1/4 inch ratchet like I'm going to and just sneak it up behind everything in the door. Or here behind this foam, you can take your tool and run it around the edge. And then you can use your long extension and go in for those 2 with deep 10 mil. Don't worry if you drop a nut in there. They're not hard to get to. All right, we got the thing out. Sometimes it paint's a little thick in here. You got to wiggle it back and forth, but just grab it from the front side where the studs are. Wiggle it because it slides in the back here. And so this is the driver's side we're doing. There's a little lock rod for your key cylinder. For your manual unlock, you just use a 1/4 inch extension. Put it right in here, pop it out. Then we'll go grab some needle nose to pinch these. And we just gotta switch this lock cylinder to the other side. I'll also show you how to do that. Get that cable prop back up on top. Now's a good time to test everything while you're still torn down. Make sure your lock rod works. Make sure your lockout works. We're all good, so we're ready to go back together here. Lock rod lined up. There we go. All right, shiny guys. Those go in the interior handle. Flat ones. Door handles, I told you. I did.
Whose truck is this?
My brother's. Brother.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You just do it every time.
you get a card?
No,
Okay.
I'm going today.
Okay.
I got an ID.
Okay, well, that's not going to pay anything, so
Yeah.
not a big deal. We'll get it taken care of this year.
Yes. No more Ugamo. It can be like. You stop it.
I did not.
Alright, this is Paul. He never realizes I'm filming until it's too late, and then he wants to jump in and say anything. So I'll let the man have his cameo. He's just showing the difference. I finished one side, the front, and then the rear is not done, just to show comparison. And then he jumps in here. Hey, Carden's going to show you how to do the rear. He's just going to bust it out real quick. Alright, I'm going to do this one fast. It's the same shit all the way around. The most difficult is the driver door, and that's just being the lock rod and multiple switches on the door in between the unlock lock switch and the master window switch. So this one's pretty cake. I'm going to just breeze through it, and I'm just going to do this one side. I'll show you how it looks after, but pretty much a wrap on this video. Just watch through. Got one less screw in the back because we're not dealing with a sail panel. Just keep an eye out on these guys when you go back in. If you're using a 1/4-inch impact or something like that, they're stronger than you think you are. These screws are weaker than they think they are. So maybe if you're not super familiar with an impact, or maybe like this is your first interior job, maybe put these bottom guys in by hand. They're pretty easy to break. Piece. I'll go grab the one from the back, match them up. asshole. Door. Door handle. Door handle. Door, door handle, you fucking dink. Get rid of the broke boy handles. Huh? The white ones are the not broke boy ones. Black is broke boy handles.
The old ones look like they're chrome.
No. Wrong truck. Amazon.
Sell these on eBay.
Oh yeah, absolutely. With my brothers. I'll just take it home. Say what? Yeah, he did. It's the guy who tinted all my other cars. He's a badass. He'll come to your house, swoop it up. I always just threw him extra cash. Like I'd throw him extra 50 or $100 or whatever. And like he would come pick it up from us at work. And then it would be done by the end of. All right, check it out. Just finished up the install. Just remember these guys are from Amazon, so they're not going to be factory quality. Like paint's a little thin right here, you can see show through. But for a quick $100 and an hour of your time, definitely pulls the look of a truck together.